You can almost picture the in-hand feel of the Galaxy S25 Ultra through a recently leaked image showcasing its glass. This isn't the first leak we've seen for the Galaxy S25 series, as third-party screen protectors have also surfaced in the past, giving us an early look at the device's design. Now, a new set of images has surfaced, showcasing both 3D and tempered glass for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Based on the leaked glass image, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to feel sleek and refined when held in hand. The Galaxy S25 family will sport a thin, symmetrical bezel design with bezels even slimmer than those on Apple's iPhone 16 Pro lineup, giving the S25 series a more premium appearance. The S25 Ultra could be slightly taller and narrower compared to the S24 Ultra. Samsung has also slimmed down the middle frame on the left and right sides, enhancing the device's sleek profile. In the leaked images, both the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus are also featured. The Galaxy S25 is expected to debut as a compact yet powerful flagship, while the Galaxy S25 Plus will boast even more impressive specifications, positioning it as a high-performance option in the lineup. The non-Ultra flagships may have slightly thicker bezels compared to the S25 Ultra. However, it's important to note that assessing design decisions solely based on leaked images of third-party protectors can be misleading and may not accurately reflect the final product. Samsung is set to launch the Galaxy S25 series in the first quarter of next year. Additionally, the final version of One UI 7 will be unveiled during the Unpacked event. Now, a newly leaked video confirms that Samsung plans to officially unveil the phone during that time. That video shared by Samsung Korea on its official YouTube channel reveals that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition will be unveiled on October 21, 2024, a few days earlier than expected. Reports suggest that the device will only be available in China and South Korea. The video serves as a teaser for the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition. It features a person walking with a letter envelope, which they slide under a door. Upon opening the envelope, a foldable smartphone is revealed, displaying the date 24/10/21 on the screen along with the message "You are invited." I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.